The most beautiful ultramarathon in the world just got even more beautiful. On Saturday, 5 April 2025, Cape Town put on a show with perfect weather, breathtaking views, and thousands of athletes taking on one of the planet's most iconic endurance events. Welcome to the 54th Total Sports Two Oceans Ultramarathon, Africa's largest running event by economic impact, proudly recognized as the world's most beautiful marathon. Runners from 99 countries of all ages, shapes and fitness levels came together in the mother city for a 56-kilometer journey through spectacular coastal roads, mountain vistas and vibrant local support. This is more than just a race. This is Cape Town's race. This is the Two Oceans Ultra 2025. In the men's race at the Ultra, one thing is certain: expect the unexpected. Each year, a new champion emerges, and while defending title holder Unalena Konkobe arrived with confidence, boldly declaring himself the head of the table, the road had other plans the next day, as his crown slipped on the punishing climb up Constantia.
It's simple for me because this is my show. You see this table because I'm the head of the table. This is my channel for tomorrow. I'm ready for everything. I have more confidence and more strength and everything.
It was Koroslane Sehudlohali from Lesotho, quiet before the race and not present at the press conference, who made his move and stormed to victory. A new name, a new champion. That's the drama of the Two Oceans Ultra 2025. Gerda Steyn, the undisputed queen of the Two Oceans Ultra, arrived at the pre-race press conference with a weight of expectation. And once again she delivered. Blazing through the course in 3 hours and 29 minutes, Gerda claimed her 6th consecutive victory in the 2025 Two Oceans Ultra Marathon, solidifying her place among the greatest athletes South Africa has ever produced. This was not just a win, it was a masterclass. I had the privilege of asking Gerda a few questions before the race.
Yes, it's a very, very early start, so I just make sure that I wake up very early and I have my trusted bowl of porridge. The spectators is so motivating. They cheer me on, they shout for me, they wake up perhaps even earlier than me to go out on the route and support. So it means the world to me, and especially in the moments where it gets really tough, they truly carry you to the finish line. There's two parts of the course that's a big favorite of mine. I love running into Hout Bay after conquering the first of the two big hills. That's always such a huge uplifting point for me in the race. And then of course, how can I forget stepping onto that grass? It's just the most amazing feeling, and when you cross the finish line it feels like you can conquer the world. I don't track my heart rate on the race. I just go on feel and how I feel, and of course also look at the pace that I'm running, whether that is in line with the plan that I set out. My husband plays a massive part in my entire career. We are a little team, and I do it for him as much as I do it for myself. He puts in as much time as I do. It's very, very special to have his support really come high water. I know I can always count on him.
They're excited to run the most beautiful marathon, ultra, but yeah, feeling very good and ready to soak up all the energy and the vibes.
Your 36 Ultra. Well done, man.
Thanks, man. Thank you.
Looking forward.
Can't wait.
Wait for it.
Let's go!
Let's see if these
Mann looks like I need a charge.
You're gonna run like this all the way.
All the way. Yeah. Setting a new world record today. Fighting against human trafficking. This is the cause. So, yeah. Well done. Thank you, girls. Enjoy the run. Yes.
Raise money for kids with cancer. Charity called the cows. So 56 today, 21 tomorrow.
Yeah, we go, runners! Yeah, we go! Yeah, we go, runners! Yeah, we go!
14 k's in, a full marathon ahead. How do you guys feel?
Still enjoying.
First to ocean.
Yeah, that's the first time. What's the first time for me?
What pace are you running?
5
flat. 5 flat.
Yeah,
You're gonna keep this pace?
Yeah, till 28 kilometers.
Full marathon to go.
Yeah, we just made the ultra. We finished the ultra bit now for the marathon.
What pace are you running?
5:20, 5:25 at the moment.
You're gonna keep it like that?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
So it's really spectacular morning to be running the Two Oceans Marathon.
good, guys.
Last year was my first one. Didn't pace it so well last year, so this year I have more of a game plan, and of course I have a bit more K's on the legs as well. Vibe is amazing. We're now currently here in Kolpe. Really nice thanks to everybody who came out. You are really making it easier. Okay, thanks, enjoy it.
Road again, just can't wait to get on the road again. The life of love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, I just can't wait to get on the road again.
Okay.
I have no watch out. We're coming.
Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
21 k's in.
It sounds to be now, no? The serious part. Serious part is starting now.
Which country are you?
As you can hear, France.
21 k's in.
Zanplay, we're nice. We're doing this. We're born for this thing. Zanplay Athletics. I'm telling you. All event D24. All event D24. We're doing this thing. Athletics club all the way. Hey, ta-da. Feeling okay. Always hesitant to say that, but halfway done, so looking forward to the climb.
Marinus, living in Toronto from South Africa, doing the 2 oceans, just over halfway. Champions Peak, here we go. Woo! It's my first ultra. 2 of my friends are right in front of me too from Toronto. I can spot them trying to catch up.
From Zimbabwe, mind. Makadini.
You're a good runner.
Yes, good. This is my first PB, 28 kilometers, 2 hours, 30 minutes.
Robert. From Austria, Europe.
First visit to South Africa?
Yes, had a good time. Really a beautiful country. Even a beautiful continent. First time on the continent Africa.
What do you think about the view?
It's astonishing. Thank you.
Really love the ocean, love the scenery. Enjoying today, facing my younger brother here in front of me. From Joburg. Cape Town is like Europe. You gotta come here with some euros to be able to afford the place.
From Rustenburg, Run Walk for Life, and yes. Tanieta is the best. She's our club leader. Yes. And she organizes everything. And she's waiting for us at the end. Yes. Thank you, Tanieta. We love you, Mom. Feeling a bit heated up.
Humidity high?
Yeah, to me.
Camaraderie, you came all the way to enjoy this view.
Definitely.
Was it worth it?
All worth it. Year after year we're coming back.
You gonna walk to the end?
No! Let's go!
How long are you staying in Cape Town?
We're here until Tuesday and then going back to Kimberley. Been here since Wednesday already.
Safe to say, I've never felt this way. You got me spinning around in circles.
community, all the blogs, articles.
Always a pleasure.
How did it start?
Well, I started actually wanting to tell a few dad jokes and accidentally became an activist. So actually my 1 year for a birthday, my wife always struggles to buy me presents, and she was writing a blog. So I said to her, well listen, why don't you, instead of buying me a present, set up a blog for me, and I'll start writing about interesting stories about the different marathons around South Africa. And anyway, so it took me about 3 or 4 months to write the first article, but since then I haven't looked back.
You've got a goal to run every marathon and ultra in South Africa. How far are you with that goal?
Pretty far. They just keep adding new marathons. So I think this year there's about 30 new marathons, and I've had a bit of a slow start to the year, so I definitely won't do 30. So hopefully in the end of the year with about 20 odd marathons still to do. Just I have to put the caveat, the ultras go up to comrades distance. So there's a few 100 milers out there, but I'm not planning to run those. Not yet anyway.
Are you experiencing 2 oceans?
Yeah, it's I mean the course is always beautiful. So far so good. I must say the toilets at the start were fantastic. Give them credit where it's due. Water tables are still a mess. They just can't cater for the number of runners, so that's not great. But otherwise, all good so far. But it might be a different story at the top of Constantia Neck.
You're in pain here too.
Oh my gosh. I'm struggling.
What's wrong?
Knee pain.
Knee?
Yeah.
Ronaldo, hoe gaat het?
Goed en zelf. Dat is hij.
Hoe is jouw ultra so ver?
Ek hardloop my eerste een en ek love it. Dit is verskriklike lekker reis. En ek sal dit weer doen.
Nooit weer doen. Nooit weer doen. Zo klaar. Nee, ons is maar lekker stupid. Jellembo! Maar die views help. So, ons hoop ons kom by die einde voor dit verby is die tyd.
Beautiful guys, well done, well done.
Very lucky.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Salt and orange.
Nemo said just keep swimming. I say just keep running.
Here we go. Run, but
I don't do that.
What are you
No,
doing?
I'm right there, so I'm watching the
Antonio!
Oh yeah.
Number 5.
Sanele, keep pushing.
Thank you.
Louisa, wat 'n gestapper is dit?
Maar dan moet ik onmiddellijk hardlopen.
Well done, come on! Why are you doing this to yourself?
Oh, I'm doing this for my late father and myself in terms of taking care of my blood pressure and a positive life. That's it. Cheers.
Well done, well done.
You lot, keep it up, sir.
Well done, Bolakwani. Well done.
Come on, Paul! Pirate! You guys are great!
Keep going! One step up! Looking good, brother, looking good!
Oh, it's been a bit tough. Yeah, I've been down with the flu last Saturday, so lost a little bit of taper, and body's not feeling optimal. Stomach problems, but we push through, keep on going.
Struggling big time.
There's pure salt over there on the table.
You guys must go, eh? Please.
No,
good, I'm okay. But thanks anyway.
Anything, just anything.
Ian's 40th.
Hey.
Well done, Pirates. Ian, would you like a salty potato? Do you want salty potato?
Let the music push you. Feel the rhythm. Feel the beat. Let it push you. That's what it's here for. Get you going. Get you rowing. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. Keep pushing. You got this. That's it, Paul.
Ian, it doesn't get easier, eh? The 40th.
No. This is a bad day today, unfortunately. Poor water points in the first 20 k's. Cramping. Anyway. One thing about running 40 is you have to be an old man. And boy, am I an old man today.
How did this race change over the time?
Got a lot bigger, and there's a lot of things are still very good. There's a lot of things that have changed that unfortunately aren't for the better. I think it's a good idea to change away from using sachets to using cups, but then they don't put enough out. You know, they put out 4 tables with water. That's only 1,000 cups. There's 14,000 runners. So that's been very poor. But all in all, it's still a wonderful experience. It's a great run, lovely for all the novices, and we all keep coming back.
I was meant to be Spacer. We were on sub 6 today, and then the wheels came off. So sub 7 will be good.
Well done.
A finish is a finish for you. Thank you.
I'm not going to take that tonight for next year. Well done, guys. Well done, guys. Well done. You got this. Looking good. Feeling okay? What's wrong? Cramping. No? Okay, come. The other side as well. Cramping? Cramping there, right now.
You have it in the bag, no one else but you. Stay focused. 5 to 6 kilometers to go. What is a park run? You got this.
Let's go. All the way to the finish line. Let's go.
Some good footage there. The Somerset Striders in natural habitat. It's fantastic. Ja, gaan goed. Wilde is Matthij, afdaan is erger. Was baie lekker. Very nice. Zijn we klaar te maken.
Frederick from Belgium. I'm here for my blue number, hopefully. I think I will be the only Belgian male with a blue number, hopefully. Still 44 minutes for the last 5k. Great race, great people.
brother, I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away.
What's up? Voila!
Ladies and gents, we only have 21 minutes left of this race. So if you are a spectator next to the finish
South Africa, the man with dual citizenship. They're going to get that medal with ice cream, and then the adrenaline will go down and the endorphins will flow. And so you know, you have done it. 2025 Total Sports. Two Oceans Marathon is in the bag, and all we can say is well done. Hundreds, thousands out there today, and today, now the moment that you have fulfilled your dream. Well done. That's it for competitors. I just saw the young lady for pilots.
Nice to see all the clubs here from all over the country coming to join us for the Total Sports Two Oceans Marathon. Our 6:45 buses.
And special moment for new runners now on the Northern Soft.
Stellenbosch, he's got the speed wobble going, but he's going to do it. The girls in pink. Hello, Pinky 1 and Pinky 2.
Well, it was actually beautiful, but painful. But yeah, I had a good time though.
You're coming back?
Definitely. Definitely.
I'm coming back next year. So come December, I'm booking for next year. Worth it. With a dash. You need resilience to finish this.
I got flowers for my birthday. I'm happy.
You've done 43 ultras.
Nou, ja, ik probeer met 43 uur geweest, maar ik heb net zo'n mooi serie geademd.
Je hebt hem klaargemaakt?
Ja, hij heeft
Ik klaargemaakt, maar de tijd dat ik gemaakt heb.
Dat is de moeilijke een.
Mijn moeilijkste, ja, zeker.
En die kom je helpen, ja, hij is toe.
Maar zijn dochter.
Ach, mijn zuster, mijn dochter.
Well done.
Ja, het is zijn dochter.
Baie geluk om Herku.
Dank u wel.
I wanna run the two oceans, come what may, through sunrise mist and cheering crowds. You've trained so hard, you've qualified. Lace up your shoes, let's go and run. If I could choose just one to run, it's gotta be the Two Oceans Ultra. Come run with me. Come run with me. We're thousands strong from all corners of the world. We chase the road year after year. I will smile like Gerda Steyn when I reach the top of Chapman's Peak. The ocean wide, the mountain steep, but this race lives where heartbeats sleep. If I could choose just one to run, it's gotta be the Two Oceans Ultra. Come run with me. Come run with me. now, running side by side. If I could choose just one to run, it's gotta be the Two Oceans Ultra. Come run with me. Come run with me. Through every high and every pain, we run as one. We keep pushing. I wanna run the two oceans, come what may. Come run with us. Come run today.